Do you need video marketing for your business to grow? And why should you do it? So let's talk about the benefits of video marketing for your business and for your business growth today. Hi everyone, it's Leanne Cohen's here, Digital Success Catalyst and owner of Marketing Leap. And today we're going to talk about whether video marketing is effective or whether it's just a fad that seems to be the latest thing that people like to talk about when it comes to marketing your business online. Firstly, just something to think about. Statistics have actually shown that 1 minute of video is actually worth 1.8 million written words. So that's the difference between someone actually watching you online or reading what it is that you have to say. Not only that, but viewers will retain 95% of a message when they actually view it in a video compared to 10% when they're reading it. So just those two statistics alone, when it comes to showing up as an authority in your business, are two reasons why you really do need to start looking at video when it comes to growing your business. Not only that, they've actually predicted that by the end of next year, which is 2022, 82% of all online traffic, and that's downloads and things that are being uploaded online, will be video. And that's because video is so much more engaging, it's memorable, it actually drives more traffic when it comes to your website and to landing pages, and holds almost every other advantage over text. So like I said, when you compare those statistics, that 95% of your message will actually be retained as opposed to 10% with someone reading it. And the fact that 1 minute of video is actually worth 1.8 million written words. They're really powerful statistics. So there's a couple of benefits that we're going to talk about when it comes to video. The first thing is the boost to your conversion rates. According to HubSpot, including a video on a landing page can actually increase your conversions by 80%. So you can imagine you've spent all this time creating a landing page, you're sending people to that particular landing page. Having a relevant, interesting, concise video can actually increase your conversions, because number one, it keeps them on your page longer, so it actually helps you when it comes to showing up on Google, and it does help you with your SEO when it's optimized the right way. With that, you've actually got 53% more chances of showing up on the first page of Google if you actually include a video on that particular landing page. So like I said before, the main reason for that is if it's optimized correctly. When people get onto the landing page and they stop to watch a video, that's actually increasing your watch time, and it's actually increasing the amount of time that people spend on that page. So if you've watched my previous video where we spoke about SEO, Google has one job, and it's only one thing that they're interested in, and that is putting the most relevant information and the most relevant content in front of their clients, who's the person searching, in the fastest possible time. And the way that they will track that is by how long people will actually stay on a landing page when they go to your website. It is a bit of a no-brainer to actually look at having videos on landing pages when you're actually sending traffic through. You think about some of the videos that you find interesting, some of the things that you find engaging that will actually keep you watching all the way through. The next benefit is a video is actually great for email marketing. A video in an email will actually increase the click-through rate. Now, generally what we recommend you do is have a really good thumbnail that will engage, or a picture that will engage people. And the minute they click on that, they go through and then they can actually watch the video. So actually having your video in your emails when you send them out will increase the click-through rate, because people are curious, they want to see what it is the video is about. Not only that, it's also easier to view a video than reading text. Gets back to the original statistic, 95% of information is retained longer through a video. So if you are using email marketing and you are regularly reaching out to your database via email, embedding a video or even just having the thumbnail on there with the link that goes to wherever it is on YouTube or Vimeo or any other platform. Some people actually even do it with Facebook. They'll actually put the thumbnail in the email. When they click, it takes that person through to Facebook. Again, it's all about getting that engagement and getting people to click through and stay engaged with your content longer. The third reason is that video actually builds trust and credibility. You know within seconds whether you're going to resonate with someone or not when you see them and you hear them. And again, you're not going to appeal to everybody. Your job as a business owner and to market your own business is to appeal to your ideal clients. Actually creating video is one of the best ways to start building trust and credibility with your audiences. And it's a great way to build a personality around your brand as well, because it actually helps you show up as human rather than just this faceless person behind posts and everything that is out there online. They're the three things that you really need to keep in mind when it comes to creating video, is that it boosts your conversion rates, it's great for email marketing, and it will actually help build your trust and credibility with your ideal clients. But 68% of marketers have actually said that they get a better return on their investment through video marketing than Google Ads. That's something to think about. There are more views when you do social media posts if it's a video rather than just a static image or text. So, video marketing is a really, really powerful tool. So that's just a few things to think about. And not only that, people are now watching an average of 16 hours of online video a week. So a lot of people are ditching TV and spending more time watching online videos. There are a few caveats though. While this is a really powerful marketing tool, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. When you are doing posts on social media, generally, videos under 2 minutes get the most engagement. Now, a lot of the videos that I do are around education and training, so they do tend to be a lot longer than 2 minutes. But if you do it looking for something that's short and sharp to get the most engagement, 2 minutes is the best time when it comes to socials. 85% of Facebook videos are actually watched without sound. Having your captions coming up and having the transcript done is really, really important. Interestingly enough, when it comes to Instagram and Instagram stories, 60% of people like to have the sound on. And I think most of that has to do with the music and that you can choose when it comes to your Instagram stories. Again, when you start looking at your statistics, 33% of viewers of a video will stop watching after 30 seconds because that's when they'll decide whether it's interesting, whether they want to stay engaged. So it's a good idea to keep track of your stats as well when you are creating video and putting it out there. 45% will drop off after 1 minute and 60% will drop off after 2 minutes. And if you're looking at building an engaging YouTube strategy and growing your YouTube channel, your watchability and your viewer watch time is one of the biggest statistics that you have to keep an eye on. So you'll notice when you go onto YouTube, a lot of videos have cutaways and B-rolls and things like that. And if you have no idea of what I'm talking about, I do have a YouTube course that is just launched. It's based on the 4-hour workshop that I used to run pre-COVID. It actually steps you through everything on how to set your channel up correctly and how to do your videos the right way as well to help you with your engagement. But getting back to YouTube, you'll notice a lot of videos on there have this B-roll to keep people engaged. You don't just have talking head videos that go on and on and on for 15, 20 minutes and you lose people completely doing it that way. So having that viewer watch time is really, really important, especially when over 5 billion hours of video are watched on YouTube every single day. So that's 2.5 hours per user every single day watching videos on YouTube. YouTube is one of the main sources of video entertainment when it comes to your ideal customer. It's a great way to grow your business. It's a great way to build that authority and to just connect with your ideal clients so that they do get a feeling of who you are and what you are about. Think about some of those statistics. So when it does come to video marketing, it really is a great way to help you grow your business, to build your authority, and to get people to feel as if they actually know you. So video marketing really is effective, and it is something that you can use across a number of different platforms. And like I said, if you would like to look at understanding how to set your YouTube channel up correctly, to start growing your audience and to start actually growing your business, comment below. I'll actually put the link for the YouTube course with this video, and you can check it out and hopefully that will put you streets ahead of your competition when it comes to growing your business. So I hope that has been of some value to you today. And if you'd really like to lose the marketing leap and restart, recharge, and revive your marketing, please reach out to me, because my passion is to help business owners grow their business, to have an understanding of marketing, not because you want to be marketers, but to have an understanding exactly the same way that you do with your books and you do with your finances, so that you can use it to grow your business in the most cost-effective way. In the meantime, guys, have an amazing week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week. If you aren't sure how marketing works in the online space, we would simply like to just grow your business, or maybe even just optimize your YouTube channel so that you can use it to actually help grow your business, please comment below or reach out to me and we can book a call and let's see how I can help you grow your business. If you would like to learn more about digital marketing and how to grow your business online, make sure that you click the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every single time we go live or we upload a video. Thanks for watching.